Installing solar panels with Wickes and SolarFast is easier and quicker than you might think. In fact, you can have solar panels installed just 7 days after your initial consultation. Let's take a look at the process in a little more detail. If you're considering solar energy, pop into a Wickes store or head online to fill out an inquiry form. You'll then receive a call from SolarFast in less than 24 hours where you can discuss your options with an expert. SolarFast will carry out a site visit either at your home or remotely, recommending what's best for you and provide an independently verified saving estimate. And with flexible payment options, you can either pay in full or with finance. The choice is yours. After you book your installation, SolarFast team will arrive at your home to put up the scaffolding, install your solar panels and dismantle the scaffolding, all in as little as 3 days. And for added peace of mind, you will be updated on their progress throughout. Once installed and set up, you can easily control and keep track of your energy usage within the app, so you know exactly what you're spending. We're also constantly monitoring the system so that we can notify you of any issues and get them fixed quickly. To make sure everything has gone smoothly, we'll check in with you after 24 hours and again in 6 and 12 months. You'll also have access to lifetime support from SolarFast should any issues arise in the future. And just like that, with Wickes Solar powered by SolarFast, you'll have reliable and affordable energy all year round.